So thing to remember is your mask protects me and my mask protects you. That's the reason you should wear a mask. When a COVID-19 infected person coughs or sneezes or even talks, and especially if you talk loudly, you emit tiny droplets, right? A person who's infected will emit tiny droplets from the mouth. And these droplets contain the virus. And this is really the main way in which the virus spreads from person to person. Also, we have done some research, and what we've shown is that if you wear a mask, you can cut down how far these droplets spread when you have a cough cloud. You can, and that's also true when you speak. When you speak, those droplets that come out, you can cut that out if you wear a mask. You need to wash the mask every time you've used it, right? So if you've used a mask, you come back home, right? Don't touch the surface of the mask, remove it from the straps. And if this is a cleanable or a reusable mask, you take the mask and you drop it in soap water, right? So you let the soap, disinfect the mask, or you can also clean it by putting it in boiling water. Remember that soap or boiling water will destroy the virus. Leave it in soap water for 15 minutes and then put it in the washing machine if you like. And then you take it out and you dry it out in the sun. Or you can put it in hot water, or you can run a hot iron over it after you've washed it with soap. All of this will let you destroy the virus, and then you can reuse it. If you're driving by yourself, there is no need to wear a mask. If you're driving with people who live with you, then again, you're in the house without a mask and you interact closely with them. So again, there is no need to wear a mask. You probably shouldn't be driving around people whom you don't otherwise have a lot of contact with. But suppose you have to do that. Let's say, for example, if you're in a taxi, then I certainly recommend that you should wear a mask and follow all the usual precautions.